Hey there guys, Ken here, Padlock here for you today. This one's going to be a Master 590. It is shrouded, as you can see. Actually it's a 590D. Here's a look at the key bitting. It's got 5 chambers in it. All the chambers are being used. There's a look at the key bitting. And it does have security pins in them. A lot of security pins in it. There it is, unlocked. Locking back up here. There's that. That. And like I said, I was kind of caught off guard when I started picking this lock out of all the security pins. It just seems to have a lot of them in here. I want to use my southward pagoda hook. And just go in here, get underneath the first pin. Give it a little bit of tension, push them up. Get them set. Right off the bat, setting the first pin, I get a false set. So go to the second pin now. It's binding. Got him set. Another false set. Go on to my third. Got him set. Go to my fourth here. Got him set. Go to my fifth. And there it is. Picked open, yeah. Again, that's the Master 590D shrouded. As always, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good one.